Imagine waking up to headlines screaming, "Jobs everywhere," while your grocery bill climbs another 10%. That's America, January 2026. President Trump's back, promising the greatest economy ever. Tariffs skyrocket, taxes slashed for some, deregulation everywhere. But who really cashes in and who's left holding the bag? Let's walk through it. It started fast. Day 1, 60% tariffs on China, 25% on Mexico. Goal? Bring factories home. Sounds good. Factories employ 12 million Americans already. Add a million more? Blue-collar towns revive overnight. Steelworkers cheer. Truckers get overtime. Small manufacturers in Ohio and Pennsylvania boom first. Sales up 15% in months. Winners clear. Domestic producers shielded from cheap imports. Trump's base feels the win. But here's the twist. Importers panic. Walmart shelves empty briefly. Prices jump 7% on electronics, clothes, toys. Average family pays $1,800 extra yearly. That's real math from Trump's first-term data, scaled up. Retail chains cut hours. Low-wage service jobs, first to bleed. 2 million positions shaky as consumer spending dips. Urban renters, gig workers, single moms, they lose quiet, no headlines. Taxes tell the real story. Corporate rate drops to 15%. Billionaires keep more stock gains. Tech giants like Tesla explode. Valuations up 25% already on lighter regs. Elon tweets victory. Wall Street trades frenzy. Top 10% capture 70% of gains per IRS patterns. But middle class, SALT deduction caps stay. Homeowners in blue states pay thousands more. Ironic, right? The tax cut for all hits coastal earners hardest. Deregulation fuels the absurdity. Banks loosen lending. Mortgages flow easy. Home prices spike 8%. Builders win big. But remember 2008? Same playbook. Hidden risk. Debt bubbles form fast. Household borrowing already at $18 trillion. One rate hike and defaults cascade. Zoom out. Economy grows 3.2% short term, CBO whispers. But inflation lingers at 4%. Fed hesitates. Global trade wars escalate. Europe retaliates, exports tank 12%. Farmers in Iowa? Crushed again. So golden age or house of cards? Factories hum, but your Walmart run costs more. Winners build, losers borrow. By mid-2026, will you spot yourself in the score? Watch, it unfolds now.